The District Disaster Management Authority East Khasi Hills District on Wednesday organized an awareness program featuring a street play by students of Martin Luther Christian University to mark National Disaster Reduction Day. The event, supported by members of Ddma, was aimed at educating the public on precautionary measures during earthquakes and other natural disasters, as well as on providing assistance to the injured in times of emergency. The students performed the street play at Don Bosco Square, Ladjumkra, and at Muda Khandailat. As part of the campaign, they also distributed informational leaflets highlighting essential guidelines on the do's and don'ts during thunderstorms and lightning.
Sudden loud rumbling, lights flickering, people panicking. Everyone drop, cover, and hold on. The crouching, tumbling continues, crashing sounds scream. In a heartbeat, our laughter turned to screams. The ground shook with fury. Building cracked open like paper. People ran, cried, prayed. Chaos swallowed the city, and then silence. The heavy silence fills with dust and pain. Rumbling fades. The rescuer rises slowly, coughing from blood and checking the victims all around them.
Call 108 for assistance. Doing the process of look, listen, feel. If the casualty does not give any response, check the breathing from the carotid pulse. Then with 2 fingers, clear the airways.
This is an improvised stretcher in case of emergency, which we can use by using 2 poles and a blanket or a bed sheet. You can carry a person using this improvised stretcher for safety.
With 2 fingers measuring above the xiphoid process, then place the heel of the palm on the center of the person's chest, then place at the other hand on the top and press down 30 times compression.
Beautiful, very cool place. Yeah.
Behind the victim, starting compressions. After a few cycles, trying to make everyone feel safe and secure, placing them on recovery position.
1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Okay. On my count of 3, roll activation to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
People helping civilians, rescuers team helping and supporting each and everyone who is stuck in the earthquake.
Very shy.